In this video I will show you how you can get concrete mix in ICARUS. So to be able to get it, you need to be level 20, so you need to have this tier 3 unlocked. And then you want to craft this machining bench, and in the machining bench you want to craft this cement mixer, and from here you can craft concrete mix. So once you have this, you can open it, and here is concrete mix. So to be able to craft it, you need a couple of silica ores, stones, and one tricep. So you can find silica ores just randomly around the map. And tricep, you need to craft this mortar and pestle. So it's in tier 2. And here you can craft this tricep. From one wood you can get 2 triceps, or you can also craft it from sticks. And once you have this tricep, silica ore and stones, you can craft this concrete mix here. So it's going to take like 10 seconds for one concrete mix. And here you go, this is how you can get concrete mix. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.